Message from Her Excellency, Modupe Onitiri Abiola, MOA, leader of the indigenous Yoruba people, IYP, of Democratic Republic of the Yoruba, DRY, and from all IYP of DRY, to the general public, today Wednesday 5th of August, 2026. Concerning the song, Is Agbe. 1. The Yoruba song, Ishe Agbe Nishealwa, which roughly translates to, farming is the indigenous ancestral occupation of Yoruba land, the Yoruba country, now Democratic Republic of the Yoruba. This song had, for decades, been thought to mean that we as indigenous Yoruba people should embrace Western-style education as brought by the British colonialists, while trying to not forget our cutlass and hoe, the cutlass and the hoe being symbolic of our indigenous ancestral agriculture. 2. However, the true meaning and intention of those who composed that song had now, recently, been revealed by Her Excellency, Modupe Onitiri Abiola, MOA, leader of the indigenous Yoruba people of Democratic Republic of the Yoruba. According to her exposition of the actual truth regarding that song, it was, and is, a revolutionary song, a song by the freedom fighters among our ancestors in those days when the British brought their Western-style education, a song by our ancestors warning their fellow indigenous Yoruba people, that embracing Western-style education, running away from our agricultural lands and running to the Western-style school education system, was going to be a decision that indigenous Yoruba people would regret. The prediction of that revolutionary song has turned out to be very true, today. 3. In the first place, abandoning our agricultural land, to pursue Western-style school education, has produced all the hunger and poverty in our land today, the land of we the indigenous Yoruba people. Secondly, abandoning our traditional basic occupation of agriculture, as indigenous Yoruba, means we abandon farming, the only thing that could ever solve the problem of hunger and poverty. Third, abandoning the farm in favor of the Western-style school, meant that we practically abandoned our land, the very basis of our terrestrial existence as indigenous Yoruba people on our own ancestral territory. This is because, farming takes place on the land, it is the direct link between us the indigenous Yoruba people, and our land. Thus abandoning our land, we have abandoned that by which we are grounded to our prosperity, our sustenance and our continuity as the indigenous Yoruba people, as a distinct race on this earth. And, also, by so abandoning our land, our traditional and ancestral territory, we had laid open that very land for exploitation and to be taken over by another people different from us the real owners of the land. Ultimately and specifically, we had made our God-given land to be open and taken over by the very forces that colonized our land, the very forces that seduced us away from that land in the first place, using the dangling carrot of Western education. 4. Her Excellency Modupe Onitiri Abiola, MOA, has ultimately shown us, that song shows and emphasizes to us the fact that our land, indigenous Yoruba ancestral land, belong to us the indigenous Yoruba people of Democratic Republic of the Yoruba. We and our land are the two sides of the same coin. And we must never allow anybody to take our land away from us.